బీజేపీ కస్టడీ బయట బీజేపీ వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడేది లోపల సిబిఐ వాళ్ళు కూడా అడుగుతున్నారు అడిగిందే అడుగుతున్నారు 2 నెలల నుంచి నథింగ్ న్యూ.
This is not a CBI custody. This is a BJP custody. K. Kavita saying that in court in Telugu. My colleague Meenakshi is joining us with the CBI remand note that we've accessed. Yes, Meenakshi.
Pratibha, let's take our viewers through the remand note. So this is what the remand note of the CBI says, subject of course application when they had asked for 14J judicial custody of K. Kavita. Now here in this remand note they have listed of course multiple reasons, and some of them very similar. They are basically saying that the entire policy, the liquor policy, was manipulated to facilitate monopolization and cartelization of wholesale liquor trade in Delhi. And then they go on to mention the entire, if you look at the South Group link, and they mention all the charge sheets, the 2 supplementary charge sheets which had been filed in the case. And finally, they basically list out all the charges against K. Kavita. One of them saying that as far as Kejriwal is concerned, he had asked for funds for Aam Aadmi Party from the businessmen and said that the same would be explained by K. Kavita to him, citing one of the approvers in the case. So if you look in sum and summation, basically this remand note basically once again reiterates all the charges which the CBI has been levelling against Kavita, saying that she was allegedly one of those who had facilitated the South Group's meeting with the Aam Aadmi Party, and on that basis they need judicial custody of K. Kavita for 14 days.
Okay, all right. So the CBI is saying that she has not been responding despite being confronted with the evidence that the central agency has provided, and she has been confronted with, she is giving evasive replies. That's what the CBI has said in the remand note. But K. Kavita saying this is political vendetta, saying this the timing ahead of the election show that this is nothing but vendetta. Here's what she said.
సిబిఐ కస్టడీ కాదు బీజేపీ కస్టడీ బయట బీజేపీ వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడేది లోపల సిబిఐ వాళ్ళు కూడా అడుగుతున్నారు అడిగిందే అడుగుతున్నారు 2 నెలల నుంచి నథింగ్ న్యూ. సిబిఐ కస్టడీ కాదు బీజేపీ కస్టడీ బయట బీజేపీ వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడేది లోపల సిబిఐ వాళ్ళు కూడా అడుగుతున్నారు అడిగిందే అడుగుతున్నారు 2 నెలల నుంచి నథింగ్ న్యూ.
So K. Kavita continuing to say that this is nothing but a political vendetta. But look at what the CBI has said in the remand note, saying that she has not disclosed the details of the case and she is deliberately evading crucial questions and not giving any response, even though the central agency has confronted her with evidence.